So, it's September 2022. AMD has just revealed their new AM5 lineup, and it's just too close for the NVIDIA RTX 40 series announcement. But what if you really want to build a PC right now, this instant, and you want the best $1,000 gaming PC build? Brand new, no used parts. Well, don't worry, we've got you covered, boys. Let's go. Okay, for the processor, we are picking the Core i5 12600KF. It comes with 6 performance cores, 4 efficient cores, and a total of 16 threads. Now, this is basically a 12600K without the integrated GPU. Now, this CPU is great, has really decent performance in IPC, instructions per clock. Currently priced at $260. This was about $230 a few days ago, and then we picked this one because this one, the Core i5 12600KF, belongs to a modern Intel platform. AMD's upcoming Ryzen 7000 pricing starts at $299, and that's for the basic 7600X, and so that basically throws AM5 out of our equation because that's out of our budget. So we'll just stick with this one, boys. The Core i5 12600KF, $260, really decent value. Okay, do note that the 12600KF does not come with a cooler, so you'll need to purchase one. And then from Intel specifications, the maximum turbo TDP of this processor is at 150 watts, so it's important that we have to have a cooler that can address that. So for this build, we're just going to buy a decent but cheap tower cooler, and that would be the ID Cooling SE214XT ARGB cooler. It comes with 4 heat pipes and 120mm of ARGB fan for that bling factor, and according to the specs of this CPU cooler, this can handle up to 180 watts TDP, and the best part is it comes really cheap at $20. And for the motherboard, we're going to keep this really simple. We're picking the Gigabyte B660M DS3H motherboard. It comes with DDR4 RAM slots, so basically it's a B660 motherboard, has heat sinks for our NVMe over here, and for our VRM over there. It has 4 DIMM slots. RGB headers are there as well, both for 5 volts and 12 volts, and it comes with a cheap price at $110. It has all the essentials without the expensive price tag. It's obviously not the best, but it does the job. And for the RAM, we are picking something different here. We are recommending faster clock speeds for this build. And so we are picking the Teamgroup D-Force DarkSeed 16GB RAM. Obviously, it comes with a 16GB kit, 2 sticks of 8GB, 3600 MHz speed, decent timings at 18, 22, 22, 42, and has that gray heat sink for that simplistic approach, and only comes at $55. And for our storage here, we are picking a 512GB NVMe, and this is just a simple NVMe. We picked the Silicon Power 512GB NVMe M.2. Of course, it's obviously not the best, but it should be sufficient for our needs. I mean, we are on a budget here, so this one's pretty good at $35. Moving along to our graphics card, we are picking the RX 6700 XT, and this is going to be a huge chunk of our budget, and we have found a really decent card for only $430. Yes, boys, the XFX Speedster Swift 309 is only at $430 right now. So that's an amazing deal. That if you've been following our channel, you probably would have seen how we love our RX 6700 XT. It excels really well on those graphically intensive games like Warzone and Apex Legends. And this one comes with that black classic color. Look at that, boys, right? Look at that one, black classic color, and has 3 fans. This is obviously an amazing value. If you look at the NVIDIA price, what you're getting for the same price is only a measly $3060, which is a much slower card compared to the RX 6700 XT. So this is definitely a steal. Pick this one. There's no contest on this one, boys. For our power supply, we are picking something decent at our budget. What we picked is the Deepcool DA700N. This comes with 700 watts, has the 80 plus bronze rating in terms of efficiency, and also comes with a 5-year warranty. So 5-year warranty, please. And the best part, it's only priced at $40. Yes boys, 40 bucks for this power supply. Get this one right now because we can see that there's only 8 left. Now, obviously this isn't the best power supply, but at this price I wouldn't complain. I mean, this power supply retails at around $80 here in New Zealand, and if you guys are getting this one for 40 bucks, right, this is a steal. And for the case, we are picking a black theme case, and what we picked up is the Zalman S3 ATX mid tower case. It's a simplistic case, comes with that black theme, has vents on the front and on the top, tempered glass, and has that PSU shroud with that big S3 label over there. It also comes with 3 pre-installed fans, so that's good. It will help our ventilation, and the best part, it only comes at 60 bucks. And I like the look of this case. It's very simple and elegant, nothing fancy. I mean, there's not so much things here for the RGB fanboys, but if you're on a budget, we're trying to keep it at the $1,000 build. This is actually a decent choice. All in all, that's a total of $1,010.75. Hey, Overseer PC, you've gone past $1,000 in this build. And yes, I know, it's over $10, but a few days ago, the 12600 KF was at around $230. So you just keep an eye out for that one. It may fluctuate, it may go down again, and then we'll probably get more, a little bit of savings there, and then it'll be around that $1,000 build price. So that's it, boys. This is the fastest brand new PC build that you can get for $1,000 in early September 2022. If you're looking at the $800 price point, this video right here might help you. It was done mid-August, but the same things should still apply. And yeah, I'll see you guys over there.